Guys, today's a little different. I'm starting out showing you all the cards at one time simply because they are very similar to the other mermaid cards I have created in the past couple of weeks. They are all shaker cards with the shaker pocket behind the image, and I'll take you a little bit closer. I will tell you right now, this card and that card, both the pink ones, are already sold. So I'm not even going to list these on eBay until I've given you guys a little bit of time to let me know if anybody wants these two here. These cards are going to be $20 shipped, and if you're interested, let me know. So this is my most blingy card. Obviously, excuse me, I framed her out in this real pretty bling trim that I think I got at Natasha's Scrapbook Corner. This back here is I think it's a Spellbinder's die, and the paper I got at Joann's. I did use some Magnolia Star dies from the latest fairy tale collection, and I added this trim also from Natasha's Scrapbook Corner and the sentiment area. And of course, I Copic colored up my beautiful saturated Canary mermaid image. I just love these so much. I don't know how I'm going to go back to shabby chic. I really don't. Okay, this card here, I just got a Facebook message I gotta get rid of. Okay, this card here, again, Copic colored the image, got the sequence and the shaker pocket behind her. This one's got Magnolia swirl dies. I added this black lace with this blingy trim on it. These two pieces are from the DIY Boutique Supply. They both dangle, and I just love the way that one came out. I really like the purple one too, even though it does not have any blingy paper on it. I thought that the paper was fabulous for this image. It just has really cool words all over it. The white paper I actually have in the background. It's very hard to tell on the video, but this is the paper, and to me it looked like shells, so I put that behind her and I accented it in white. This is actually purple, not black. It looks purple on camera, but I mean black on camera, but it is purple. I added this Spellbinder's die at the top, this blingy bow from the DIY Boutique Supply, and then I had these two Prima flowers in my stash, and I just put a lot of what do they call this? Glass glitter. Love it. And that's the whole card. So the last card here is also this fantastic image, and I decided to add a crown on her. I didn't put any of the dots in her hair, so I wanted to do something, and I added the crown. This is a Magnolia die here, and the feathers are Magnolia. I added this bow bling around her, and that's that card. So really simple, actually. They went together pretty quickly after I colored the images. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's going to be hard for me to go back to shabby chic? Because, oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun with these bright colors, and I didn't think I could even do bright colors, but these images have really inspired me. So let me know, is your favorite card number 1, card number 2, card number 3, or card number 4? I normally would gravitate to pink because pink is my favorite color, but I really like these two. All right, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you're interested in one of these cards. I'll probably wait after I put up this video till the next day. If they don't sell, I'll put them on eBay. Like I said, $20 shipped. Thanks for watching.